right, so I want to do some YouTubing. So I decided that if I want to do it right, I'm going to order some parts and stuff and things. This is my first bunch here. More phone clamps because I only have one and it's a real pain in the butt to try to switch it from different tripods. Newer. I wonder if that's supposed to be newer, is sort of a Asian phonetic Chinesian translation. Ah, clamp. So my next table benchtop video should use this clamp instead of the tripod, which would be nice. And some magic arms, which I'm sure I can fabricate all sort of stuff with quarter 20 pins on it. Some recessed doodads. All right, what's in the big box? Almost nothing. Lame. Phone tripod. I think this is the selfie stick. Do you think years from now, when anthropologists are studying our language, they'll be able to tell the difference between a selfie stick and a dildo? Probably not. Ooh, fancy. So, how does it work? 2% smarter here. Nope. I have to read the instructions. Okay. Camera thingy. Oh, neat. All right. I'm going to have to dig into that because I'm not smart enough to figure out how it works. But, wait. Oh, just wasn't pushing on it hard enough. Hey, look at that. I know it comes out of there further. Okay. Some research may be required. I'll let you know. What else have we got? Lark A1 by Hollyland. So I'm gonna have better audio hopefully soon. Rotatable phone clamp with cold shoe mount. I think this goes with that tripod. Oh yeah, look how fancy that is. Nice. Solid aluminum. All right. Just what I needed, another expensive hobby. Perfect. Now I have to get my glasses. Oh, that's how it works. It's really, really tight though. Try not to break it. Cool. Seems like it's actually pretty good quality. Break it anyway. It uses tension and compression to hold its position. Very cool. Now instead of holding the camera, I can hold the camera on my selfie stick. All right, well, this probably won't increase the quality of my videos, but at least I'll look cool making bad videos. There's that. Okay, well, I'm going to play with some of this stuff and I will let you know how it works out.